If you have times that you want to be left alone to focus on your work, or you have a meeting or something, rather than just going into that meeting and disappearing, what can you do to proactively let them know, let everybody in your world know when they can get satisfaction from you? So it might be the out-of-office assistant message on your email. It might be something on your shared calendar everyone can see. It might be something you say to everybody as you meet them for the first time, either in person or through your email or electronic communications. Hi, I'm Steve. I'm pleased to meet you. Just letting you know that I always respond to my emails by the end of the day. Okay, you can get that promise from me. That is what it is. I will always respond by the end of the day. So now you know how I work. You can frame your expectations around that. What I'm saying is people will do that. Here's a question for you. Imagine that you have a dental appointment tomorrow, 10 o'clock. So I say to you, hey, can we sit down and do this work thing we were going to do? How's 10 o'clock for you tomorrow? And you say, well, I'm sorry, I can't. I got to go to the dentist. And I say to you, no problem. I'll come with you. I'll sit in the chair next to you while you're having your teeth cleaned, and we can work on this while you're there. No problem, right? Most people aren't going to do that, right? A dental appointment is a socially acceptable excuse for not being here. Got to go pick up my kids from daycare. Okay, that's a socially acceptable excuse as well. There are things that people will do to overrule their own sense of self-importance. They can be guided, providing there is another alternative. Okay?